Okay, so we are discussing JavaScript basics in our last session. Last session in the sense, not previous session, day before yesterday session. We started discussing JavaScript basics where we have understood how to comment the script and what are data types, variable declaration is what we have discussed in our last session. How many data types we have here, guys? String type data type. So string type will be always wherever you see that is in the single quotes that will be counted as string, or wherever you see that is something in the double quotes that is also counted as string. It is actually a number. Okay, this is also a number. This is an object. This is an array. Boolean value. Okay, undefined. Null. These are the data types. This is string. Number. Object. Object. Boolean. Unassigned. No value. So these are the data types that we have. This is what we discussed in our last session. And variable declaration can be done using var keyword. Var. Variable name should never start with the special character, should never start with number, should never start with capital letter. Okay. So should not be a keyword. So let us say in. In is a keyword in JavaScript. You should not use in. For is a keyword in JavaScript. While is a keyword in JavaScript. You should not use the keywords as a variable names. So where my name, M is a small letter here. Okay. My name is equal to, I am actually assigning a string to it. Okay. Uday Gadiparthi. That means I have assigned a string value to a JavaScript variable. So I can assign a number value to the JavaScript variable. I can assign a object value to JavaScript variable. I can assign array value to JavaScript variable. I can also assign Boolean value to JavaScript variable. Let us say var is male is equal to true. So that means I have assigned a Boolean value to the JavaScript variable. Okay, fine. So this is what we discussed in our last session. So we are actually going to discuss about operators. So in the operators, we have different type of operators. Okay, so first we will understand about arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators. Okay, plus operator, minus operator, plus plus operator, minus minus operator, multiplication operator, division operator, okay, modulo operator, okay. So these are actually arithmetic operators. So now we will understand about arithmetic operators. So first we will understand about plus operator. So I am taking number type value to the JavaScript variable. Okay. Where A is equal to 10. So now I have assigned a number type value to a JavaScript variable that is actually A. where b is equal to 15. That means I have assigned a number type of value to a JavaScript variable. So here I am using plus operator here. Plus is actually an addition operator. It will add two values. It will add two number values. Plus will add two number values. So let me just use gs.print here. A plus B. So 10 plus 15. 10 plus 15, it is 25, right? Okay. You see the output here is 25. So here I am actually keeping 10 in the double quotes, single quotes. 10 here is a string. 10 is not a number here. It is actually in the single quotes, right? That is considered as string. String plus integer is a string. It will give 10, 15. It is not actually adding to number type of values. It is actually one string type of value, one number type of value. So this is actually string type of value, right? This is number type of value. Now this is now plus is not adding. It is concatenating. See, adding is different. Concatenation is different. So if there is string number, one string type of value is there, one number type of value is there. Then it will concatenate. Finally, it will become a string. Finally, it will become a string. So let us say here you can see type of, you can see this is a string. Okay. So now let me just make it as number again. This is number, right? Now you can see the data type will be number here now. Do you understand the difference between plus as addition operator and concatenation operator? If there are three values, one string, finally it will be converted as string. So I'm actually taking C value as well, where C is equal to 20. 20 here is a string. 10, 15. Okay. It is converted as string. You can see, okay, these two it has added. For this one, it has added as string operator. Okay. Well, here I have to explain you one thing here. There is a precedence, operator precedences. Okay, that I'll actually explain later. Okay, which symbol will be executed first? Okay, which symbol will be executed first and all. Okay, now you understand about the operator, plus operator, right? Now we will understand about minus operator. Minus operator. A minus 15. 10 minus 15, it is actually minus 5. It is actually a subtraction operator. Okay. Subtraction operator. Fine. So we have plus operator here. Plus operator. It is actually called increment operator. It will increment one number. So A plus means 11 it will give. So you can see here, guys, A plus, A plus, A plus. So 10 will become 11 here. 10 will become 12 here. It will become 13 here. Every time when you add plus, it will increment one number. So finally, you'll get the A value here as 13. Plus operator will increment one number. Getting my point? So here 10 incremented one number. It has become 11. 11 incremented as one number. It has become 12. 12 incremented with one number. It has become 13. So finally the output is 13. Okay. So if you use minus minus, okay, 10 minus 1, 9. It will become 9 here. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. Okay. You got my point? So plus plus is actually an increment operator. Minus minus is actually a decrement operator. Okay. So similarly, we have multiplication operator. A is actually multiplication operator. 10 into 15, 150. 10 into 50, 150. A value I am taking here as 100. 100 divided by 15, 6.66. 100 divided by 15. So this is actually a division operator. This is a division operator. Yeah. So you guys are clear, right? Well, here you have this double star. It is square. Okay. 4 is not accepting double star here, but ideally it should accept. Okay. So, single asterisk it is working. Double asterisk it is not working. There is a operator called double asterisk that will act as square root. Okay. So ignore about that. We have one more thing called modulo operator. Modulo operator. So this is little bit different, guys. A value I am taking here as 7 here. Okay. So 7 divided by 5. Okay. So here 7 modulo 7 modulus 5. So it will actually multiply it with 5, right? What is the remaining value? 5 ones are 5. What is the remaining value? 2. So now you will get the output as 2, remaining value. If you take 8 here, it is not a multiplication, right? 5 ones are 5. Remaining value 3. I am taking 13 here. 13 is multiplication of 5, right? 13 is multiplication of 5, right? I mean, 5 twos are 10. What is the remaining value? You will get the output as 3. If you take 15, you will get 0. You are getting 0. If you take 16 here, 5 is multiplication of 15, right? Remaining value is 1. You understand, right, about modulo operator? Okay, remainder value. After multiplication, let us say here I am actually taking 160 here. It will give 5 is multiplication of 160, right? 0. If it is not multiplication, it will give the remainder value. Remaining value. Okay. So these are actually arithmetic operators, guys. Now we will understand about assignment operators. equal to plus equal to minus equal to minus equal to double equal to is comparison operator. Okay. Uh, division equal to, okay. These all are actually assignment operators. Fine. If you take a look at here, I am using equal to here. That means I am assigning this number value to this JavaScript variable using equal to operator. See here I have used equal to operator. Using equal to operator, I am assigning a value to a JavaScript variable. Getting my point? So now you can see where B equal to 100. I am assigning 100 value to B variable. So equal to is an assignment operator. Equal to is an assignment operator. Where my name is equal to Uday Gadiparthi. Okay. Uday Gadiparthi. So here I have assigned Uday Gadiparthi value to this particular variable using equal to operator. If I remove the equal to operator, you can't assign it. You are using equal to operator to assign value to a JavaScript variable. Okay. And you can see plus equal to operator. This is actually called appending operator. So let me explain here. Where name is equal to, I have just given Uday here. Okay. I have given Uday here. Name plus is equal to, name plus is equal to Kishore. Name plus is equal to Gadiparthi. See, in the first name I have assigned Uday value. To the Uday value I am assigning Kishore. So this is nothing but name is equal to name plus Kishore. Okay. Name is equal to name plus Gadiparthi. Okay. So here name is equal to Uday plus Kishore. Here name is equal to Uday Kishore plus Gadiparthi. Getting my point? gs.print. What is it telling? So here I am adding values to a variable using plus equal to operator. You are getting my point? See, Uday Kishore Gadiparthi is actually coming in a single line, right? I want to show it in a new line. Okay. I think backward slash, I believe. Those are actually shown in new lines, right? Uday is actually in one line, Shore is in another line, Gadiparthi is in another line. So this slash n is actually used for new line. If I remove this one, it will show it in a single line. You see, first I have taken a value in the JavaScript variable that I am actually adding values to that value. So similarly, I am taking here. I am taking here 20. I am taking here 30. Okay. And I have taken here, right? So name is equal to 10 plus 20. It will become 30, right? Name is equal to 30 plus 30, 60. Finally, you will get the output as 60. You are able to understand plus equal to operator. You guys are clear, right? And minus equal to operator. Minus equal to will actually subtract it. Minus equal to. Minus equal to. So name is equal to 10 minus 20. Minus 10. Minus 10 plus 30. Minus 10 minus 30. Minus 40. So you should get the output here as minus 40. Earlier we are adding it, we are subtracting it now. You are able to understand what exactly plus equal to operator doing? New line. Slash n means new line. So if you use multiplication here, okay, 10 into 20, 200. 200 into 30. 200 into 36,000. 6,000. Okay. So minus equal to will not work for string types. Minus equal to will not work for string types. How can you divide? How can you subtract the strings? You can't, right? Okay. So division also will work. 10 divided by 20. 0.2. Let me give 100 here. 100 divided by 25. Okay. 5 divided by 30. 0.16 around something like that we are getting. You guys are clear, right? So these are actually assignment operators. Okay. Assignment operators. I will tell you guys. I have my client has given list of numbers. Okay. 12 comma 24 comma 45 comma 67 comma 89 comma 23 comma 30. Okay, my client has given me this list of numbers. He want me to uh, give the sum of these values. Okay. So then what I am doing is I am taking it as a string here. Okay. I am assigning it a value where nums is equal to I have assigned this value, string value to this particular JavaScript variable. So what I am doing is I am dividing the string comma separately. That I will tell you where here are num is equal to this is another variable. nums dot split. I'm actually splitting it using comma. I'll separately explain about the split separately, guys. So what I am doing here is, okay, here you guys can see where sum is equal to 0. Okay. Sum plus equal to, remember, sum, I'm using plus equal to operator here. Sum plus is equal to, okay. Here are num of I. Okay. So where sum is a keyword, I believe. No, it is not correct. Hmm? No, I am converting the string into an array using split method. No, let me just make you more clear on this one. So it is giving 12, 24. It is iterating. Okay, that is fine. Yeah. And if it given this number, sum is not actually the. It is giving correct. Okay. So what is happening here is that I am dividing this string using split using this comma separated. After dividing it, this 12 number is actually converted as a string. This 24 is also coming as a string. This 45 is also coming as a string. Each value I am converting as an integer using parseInt. I am using parseInt to convert a string as an array. No, sorry, string as an integer number. Okay, you're getting my point, right? So I've used parseInt to convert string into number. Then it worked. Okay, leave about this one. We'll come to this one later. So I've just discussed about this plus equal to operator. Plus equal to what is it is doing? It is actually adding 12, 24, 45, 67, 89, 23, and 30. Getting my point? So likewise, we will be using plus equal to operator, guys. Plus equal to operator, minus equal to operator, modulo equal, multiplication equal to, and division equal to. These are actually assignment operators. Now we will understand about comparison operators. Comparison operators equal to, double equal to, triple equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. These all are actually comparison operators. Okay, these are actually called comparison operators. These will give Boolean values true or false as output. These comparison operators will give Boolean values as a output, true or false. Okay. Where A is equal to 10, where B is equal to 20. Okay. gs.print. Okay. So A value, B value both are equal or not, I want to compare. A value, B value both are equal or not, I want to compare. A equal to B. A, B are equal? No. We will get the Boolean value as false. Okay. I'm giving here as 20. 20 equal to 20. So here I'm 20 taking this 20 as a string here. So this 20 is a string type. This 20 is a number type. But we will still get Boolean value true. Because double equal to will not compare the data types. You have to use triple equal to here. Triple equal to will compare the data types as well as values. That is the difference between double equal to and triple equal to, guys. Double equal to will compare only values. It will not compare data types. Double equal to will compare only values. It will not compare the data types. Triple equal to will compare the data types as well as values. You can see it is giving false here. This is a string type data type. It is actually a number type data type. So here, if I am giving 30 here, if I am giving here 20, it will compare the two values. It's a false. I am giving 30 here. Data type is same and value is same. Then it will say true. Data type is string. This is a number. It will compare the values and data types, right? Values are true, but data types are not matching, right? It will give Boolean as false. That is the difference between double equal to and triple equal to. And you have less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. So here, right? 20 not equal to 30. 20 not equal to 30. True. Okay. 30 not equal to 30. False. Equal to 30, right? 30 not equal to 30 means false. 30 less than 30. 30 less than or equal to 30. 30 greater than 30. 30 greater than or equal to 30. You are able to understand, right? These are actually called comparison operators. Comparison operators will give Boolean values true or false. Okay. And we have logical operators. And are so and are actually logical operators. Not is also a logical operator. So and means and means all conditions must be true to get out. Okay. Any one condition must be true to get output true. All conditions must be true to get output. So here I am taking total. See, there are actually two variables here. I am taking two more variables where x is equal to 40, where y is equal to 50. Okay, where x is equal to 40, where y is equal to 50. But my point here is no. I have two conditions. A, B should be same and X, Y should be same. Okay. Here A, B are same, but X, Y is not same. So while, no, not while, ds.print A equal to B. I am using AND operator here. X. So this condition is true, but this condition is false. Finally, it is false because here, if you take a look at here, all conditions must be true to get output. To get output true. Okay. All conditions must be true. So this condition is true. This condition also should be true to get the output as true, but this condition is false. Then we'll get the output as false. If I give 40 here, this condition is true, then this condition is true. Then you'll get the output as true. And then the operator is like how many conditions are there? Those many conditions must be true to get the output as true. I am making here again as 50 here. Okay. I am using OR operator. What is OR operator here? Yes. Any one condition must be true to get output as true. So here A triple equal to B. This is true. And this is false. So this is true, right? You will get the output Boolean value as true. Got my point? Huh? So I think we have already discussed about not operator. Not means not equal to we discussed, right? Not equal to we discussed here. 30 not equal to 30. False. Here we have discussed about not equal to. So this and RR are very useful. This is actually AND operator. This is actually called AND operator. This is actually called OR operator. OR operator is like any one condition must be true to get output as true. Okay. And the last one we have ternary operator. So first of all, question mark, condition, true, false. Condition. So same, I am going to take it out. Condition is equal to condition. I am actually keeping A triple equal to B. A triple equal to B. So it will compare A value, B value, both are same or not, including data types. If it say true, after question mark, whatever is there, let me just print gs.print values are same. Okay. Both are not same. Okay. Both are not same. After colon, this is colon symbol. This will be executed. A triple equal to B. A triple equal to B. Okay. A triple equal to B, it is true, right? If it is true, whatever is there in the after question mark, whatever is there after question mark, that will be executed. If it returns false, whatever is there after the colon, it will be executed. So here in this case, it is true, right? So you will get the output as values are true. Values are same. So if I give 40 here, if I give 40 here, so you should get the output as values are not same. See here after question, if it is true, whatever is there after question mark will be executed. If it is false, whatever is there after the colon will be executed. Hmm? See, guys, it is very important whenever you are actually seeing any script, if you see any symbol equal to or plus equal to or minus equal to, you should start exploring on it. These are called operators. In every language, these are common. See, greater than, less than, those are common, right? Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. And in the BTech also they taught us, but we didn't learn. Hmm? In the 10th class also, in the 10th class we don't have logical operators, right? And end operator, R operator we don't have, right? In BTech we have end operator, R operator. Double equal to and all we didn't use it in our childhood. I am good at mathematics. Hmm. That is R operator. All are false, false. Anyone is false, then that is true. So where were you, man, so far? Where did you hide your talent? Semicolon is actually means you are ending that line. So any questions from anyone, guys? You guys are clear, right, with the operators? Hmm? What is plus plus operator? You tell me, Avinash. How many values it will include? Superman. Okay. So I would request you to go through the JavaScript tutorials apart from these trainings, guys. That will be helpful for you in your career. Okay. Getting my point? And see you there in tomorrow session, guys. And the Saturday we have session. The Saturday we do have session. Hmm? Okay, then. Thank you, guys. Thank you.